How to reset your Discord password on Android. This tutorial shows you how to get back into your account and set a new password quickly and easily. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. After that, tap on the login button on the opening screen. Let me show you. From there, tap on Forgot Your Password below the login fields. At this point, enter the email address linked to your Discord account and tap on Send Email. In the next step, open your email app on your Android device and look for a password reset email from Discord. From there, also check your spam or junk folder if the email isn't showing in your main inbox. At this stage, tap on the email to open it and tap on the Reset Password button inside. Let me show you. Following this, you'll be taken to a page in your browser where you can enter your new password. Once done, type in your new password in the field provided and enter it again in the confirmation field to make sure both match. From there, tap on Reset Password to save your new password. At this stage, go back to the Discord app and tap on Login. Enter your email and your new password to sign in. Following this, once logged in, your account will be fully accessible again with the new password active. Here's an important note. If you don't receive the password reset email, make sure you entered the correct email address. Also check that your inbox isn't full and that Discord emails aren't being filtered or blocked by your email provider. And that's it. If this guide helped you reset your Discord password on Android, give it a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.